Listen closely. If you are a senior over 60, a green card holder, or a naturalized citizen, the IRS is launching a new rule for 2026 that could cost you thousands if you aren't prepared. I'm your host at All Bookkeeping and Taxes, and I'm getting straight to the point. The IRS and the Immigration Department are now sharing more data than ever before. If you have a bank account, a pension, or even property in another country, the government is making it much harder to keep that information private. Here is exactly what is changing. First, the $25,000 threshold. It used to be that you only had to report foreign assets if they were over $50,000. Starting in 2026, for seniors and all immigrant filers, that limit is dropping to $25,000. If your total foreign assets exceed this amount at the end of the year, you must report them on your tax return. Second, mandatory questions. When you file your taxes, there will be a new set of mandatory questions about your foreign money. You can no longer skip these. If you answer no, but the IRS discovers a bank account in your home country, it is an automatic red flag for an audit. Third, risks to your status. For green card holders and naturalized citizens, this isn't just a tax issue, it's an immigration issue. The government now has the ability to cross-check if you've been honest about your foreign finances. Any mismatch can delay your naturalization process or trigger a deep investigation into your history. What you need to do right now: total your foreign balances. If you have $10,000 or more across all foreign accounts at any point in the year, you must file an FBAR. Report every foreign pension. Even if it's a small retirement payment from back home, the IRS wants to see it on your tax return. Correct past mistakes. If you've missed filings in the past, don't wait for the IRS to find you. Our team at All Bookkeeping and Taxes can help you come into compliance safely before these new rules take full effect. The penalty for forgetting starts at $10,000 per year. But being proactive protects your savings and your future. If this information helped you, please like this video and share it with anyone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to our channel for more updates that protect your financial life. We've got your back. I will see you in the next video.